Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name's Linda and I do post weekly about fashion, so if you're into that sort of thing, please do consider subscribing so we can be friends. And then if you're not new here, then thank you so much for returning to watch my video. So today's video is a double unboxing, so exciting, and they are both from Gucci. So let's get straight into today's video. Okay, so item number one. They're the same thing. Did I say that? They're the same thing. And foreshadowing into the item, I'm wearing the matching color, which is my favorite color. I love yellow. It's just happy, bright color. My other favorite, which is more of a shade, would be gray. Opposites, I know. But anyway, so here is my Gucci shopping bag. And then the item. So the backstory on this. Sorry, that was loud coming out of the package there. So the backstory on this was that my cousin was at the Gucci store and she called me because she was like, oh my gosh, they just got in a bag that is in your favorite color, and so I had to show you. She's like, I'm not getting it for myself, so I wanted to see if you wanted it while I'm here and just like transfer me the money. And I was like, okay, what is it? And then when she sent me the picture, I was like, oh yes. I was literally at the supermarket buying groceries for dinner. I was like all sweaty because I just left the gym, and all of a sudden I'm like frozen in like an aisle, like, oh my god, okay, let me transfer you the money. I'm like looking at everything, like going crazy trying to do it quickly. So it came in this little cute package or container, what are we calling this thing, shopping bag. And then inside is the dust bag. So it's the typical Gucci dust bag. And it is brand spanking new. Like this thing, like look at this. Look at that. It is called the Marmont Matelasse, however you pronounce, sorry if I butchered that, mini bag. So it's a camera bag, right? Like essentially it's a camera bag, but they call it the Marmont Matelasse. I'm going to write it on the screen because I'm just going to keep butchering that. But anyway, it's so cute. And for being like a mini bag, it's really not that mini. So let's take out the stuffing. Yeah, there's a lot of stuffing in there. And here's my phone. Fits with no issues whatsoever, and I can fit like a bunch more in there. So I think this is a pretty decent size. I'm excited for it. Sorry, I love that like fresh leather smell. It's so exciting, and it's a very different yellow from the one I'm wearing, but I would totally like mix and match these. Like I don't care, like who's gonna be like, hey, you're wearing 2 different shades of yellow? I'll be like, what the hell are you looking at me for? But anyway, I wanted to show you my other yellow bag, which is this one. As you can see, I do like this color. This one's a little bit paler and matching my shirt a little bit more. This is my Valentino Glam Lock, and I think the size is a medium. Super cute bag. And since I know that I've actually gotten use out of that one, I know like, okay, I could pull off yellow, and like I just like colorful bags. Like I'll wear red, I don't care. This one's so cute. I don't know if it's adjustable. I haven't taken all of this off. So it's got chain for part of the strap, and then the rest of the strap appears to be leather. And following the chain, it doesn't appear to be adjustable though. No, I guess it's just a one size, right? Unless I'm missing something. Okay, yeah, so it's not an adjustable strap, I guess, but that's fine. Like wherever it hits, it hits. And I'm loving like the back. It has like the GG. I just think this bag is so cute. And especially like the fact that I didn't even have to go to the store. Like my cousin went and picked it up. And then I asked her, I'm like, hey, do they have any more? Because my mom might like one. And she was like, of course. So she asked and they said yes. And so hers is a completely different color though. And I did ask her, can I show your bag? And she was like, of course. So hers is this, I think the color's called Candy Pink, and it's kind of like a purpley pink color, very like bubblegum color. And my mom wasn't like obsessed with the color, but she was like, it is cute, and they didn't really have any other options at the time. Like, I would have liked a nice brown color, maybe even black, but honestly it was the outlet, so you kind of get whatever they have, and sometimes they never get things in again. Like, one of my favorite Gucci bags is my camera bag with the B on it, and I never saw that one again. And I would constantly ask the essays, I would just go through, and they never had it again. They had it in red, and I didn't get it that time because I was like, well, I have the brown one, I don't want the red one. But my sister had really wanted one and never came back. I mean, I'm hoping one day it will, but I highly doubt it. I think that they're just pushing out like new styles. So my mom was like, you know what, yeah, I'll take it. Like, it's a cute bag, it's a good price, so why not? And same thing as mine, it's partially like a nice little metallic strap, and then the rest is leather, chain, and it's just a good size. I feel like it's a good everyday bag. Like, this doesn't have to be like for a dressy dinner. It could be like, I could absolutely see like a cute little black dress and like this, and maybe some neutral heels or some black heels. Like, this would be like that pop of color with your outfit. I love it. I just think these are so cute. Here they are side by side. And I did see online that they do have a lot of other colors. They just, I don't know if they'll ever make it to the outlet. Maybe they will one day, but so far they weren't there. But I think this is just such a great deal, and I'm super excited to start wearing them and like rip all this off. And then, so again, this one's my mom. She got like that candy pink, and I got that nice bright yellow. Love, love, love my new purchases. So I do hope you liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you all for the next video. Bye everyone!